He's kicking the
He
bottle.
just kicked that bottle over there. Camera won't focus. There you go.
Now we still got 2.5 km.
It's coming. It's going direct. Oh, the sky is so beautiful. It's like my girlfriend. If only she exists. Hello guys. I know I'm not the most pleasant to see,
How much there?
but we are stranded. Uber, I mean Grab is too expensive. We went there. It cost 20, and now to go home it costs 77. That is more than double. So now we are stranded in the on the side of the road. There's a Yoong over there. Yoong.
Yeah,
What do you think of today outing?
everything was perfect until now.
Why?
Isn't it obvious?
Is it because we are stranded?
Not really stranded, more like have no choice.
Why did we have no choice? Can you elaborate?
Because mahal.
To explain what happened, do you want to explain what happened?
Because of Praveen, worst decision, very best. No, the best decision, tell us to walk in. Walk to MRT.
Alright.
Because you know, planning stuff is not that fun. You know, having fun is not even fun, but having fun.
How does that work? It's not fun, but you're having fun. How does that work?
You're not having fun jogging, but you're having fun to do that stupid thing with your friends.
I agree. Do you think that friends makes even the most boringest of task fun?
Yeah, lah. Now you know why boys are live shorter than
Yeah, we tend to do stupid shit like this, and our parents don't really care about us. So, any things you want to say to the beautiful viewers out there?
do not do this with your friends.
I could not say that any better.